Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the News First, a look at the headlines. Health Department has reported a concerning rise in rabies-related deaths. Health Department is using 4x4 all-terrain ambulances to improve healthcare access. Governor C.H. Vijayashankar praised Shillong Law College for its significant role. Government directed Airport Authority of India in Shillong Airport not to allow chartered flight of Jagat Guru Shankaracharya Swami Avimukht Varanand. And Meghalaya's Umden and Mauplang village awarded Best Tourism Village 2024 by Ministry of Tourism, Government of India. And now the news in detail. The Meghalaya Health Department has reported a concerning rise in the rabies-related deaths, with 27 fatalities recorded between 2023 and September 2024. Health Minister Dr. Ampreen Lingdaw described the situation as alarming and emphasized the need for immediate action, including the sterilization and vaccination of stray dogs, particularly in the most affected districts, West Khasi Hills and West Jaintia Hills.
In this question and answer round.
So usually a rabies vaccination is the responsibility of a citizen. There is also a talk that rabies vaccination are not available, etc., etc., etc. Hence now we are committing to the state that we will ensure that up to the PHC level there should be rabies vaccination available.
In an effort to improve healthcare access in hard-to-reach areas with difficult terrains, Meghalaya Health Department is using 4x4 all-terrain ambulances. During a press briefing, health officials acknowledged that the 108 ambulance service currently operates in 45 locations, with plans underway to expand its reach to more regions. Secretary of Health and Family Welfare Ram Kumar S. noted that 5 4x4 ambulances have already been deployed, with an additional 5 on the way, and another 10 are being procured to serve remote areas.
Lives has become a big priority. And there were a lot of questions also asked on the
4x4 ambulances are not in manufacturing at all. So you have to get a 4x4 vehicle and fabricate it and do it. It's a whole different exercise we have to do. So we have only done that. 5 ambulances have already been given in the facilities. Another 5 have been procured separately. But there is one facility level ambulances, which means PHC, CHR, district level ambulances, number 1. Number 2 are the Chief Minister's Safe Motherhood Scheme fleet. These are vehicles which have been tied up by the decentralized way by the facility locally, so that any pregnant woman, child who has requirement of a vehicle to transport to the hospital, to a higher facility, to diagnostics, or back to dropping them home, they can utilize it. This
Meghalaya Governor C.H. Vijayashankar yesterday praised the Shillong Law College for its significant role in shaping legal minds and contributing to the judicial and legal framework of Meghalaya. During the Diamond Jubilee celebration of the college, the governor extended his congratulations to Shillong Law College for completing 60 years of excellence in legal education. The event was graced by the guest of honor and Justice H.S. Thankyo, Justice Van Laura Dengdo and Justice P. Bhattacharjee, judges of the High Court of Meghalaya. Various cultural performances and presentations showcasing the college's history and achievements were also part of the program.
Thank you, sir.
I pay my respects to all the founding members who have started the first law college in the state, able to give such a high level of quality education in the state of Meghalaya. It is indeed a proud moment to have among us the 2 sitting judges of Meghalaya High Court who are the alumni of Shillong Law College. I would like to compliment the principal and the members of governing body of the college for their dedicated service to the institution, the college.
The Hinuthrep Youth Council, HYC of West Khasi Hills District yesterday observed the 9th death anniversary of late Hopingstone Lingdaw, a prominent figure in the region's boundary dispute with Assam. A memorial gathering was held at his memorial statue in Meghalaya village, where floral tributes were laid. Family members, community leaders and representatives of the HSPDP party attended the event, including Maushanrut MLA Methodius Dakar and HSPDP President KP Panyang. The Voice of the People's Party met with the executive engineer of PWD Roads of Clariat Division, East Jaintia Hills, to request for immediate repair of Dekha Sutunga Saipung Molsei Haflong Road, which has been in poor condition for many years. In a statement delivered by Dame Wanni El Rimbai, organizing secretary, it was emphasized that the road services as a crucial link connecting the district headquarters and other villages within the 5th Sutunga Saipung constituency. The road provides numerous benefits to the local residents.
They have a do Jongi executive engineer, Nakaliang Jong Sneltanan, but Nakaliang Jonka office, Kalashimkia, Yakaban Shna, Yakadipiar, Ban Shna, Yakani estimate, Lani Kitaki overview statement, Kaba Nakaliang Ui Ula, Dep Summit, Cha UCE, but Nakaliang Jong CE Ula Talk Cha Uskatri, Jong PWD, Nadu Banai June.
In a successful joint operation on Wednesday, the Anti-narcotic Task Force ANTF of East Khasi Hills, along with Lumdengchri Police Station and Jhalupara Outpost, conducted a drug bust in Jhalupara. According to the Superintendent of Police, Sylvester Nongtangar, the operation, based on credible intelligence, led to the arrest of ASHA Khatun, also known as Pahari, a resident of Lower Paltan Bazar, Shillong. During the raid, authorities seized 73 vials of suspected heroin weighing 9.72 grams, 4 mobile phones and rupees 27,410 in cash.
Alias, popularly known as Pahari. She is about 50 years of age and she is the resident of Lower Paltan Bazar, Shillong. So during the raid, we got heroin from her, weighing 9.72 grams. Then of course we got also 4 mobile phones and a cash from her, 27,410.
The state government has directed the Airport Authority of India in Shillong Airport not to allow the chartered flight of Jagat Guru Shankaracharya Swami Abhimukteshwarananda Saraswati Maharaj to land at the Shillong Airport. Chief Secretary D.P. Walang informed that the high-level meeting was held today to discuss the events. He also said that the government has strengthened security along the city to ensure peace and harmony following the recent attempt to hold a rally in Shillong against cow slaughtering. The meeting was attended by Chief Secretary, DGP and SP of Ribhoi and even East Khasi Hills.
Chartered flight landing tomorrow in Mumbai. We have assessed the situation all around both Ribhoi district after consulting the Deputy Commissioner as well as consulting the district authorities of Shillong. Shillong in East Khasi Hills, section 144, which is now section 63 of the BNSS, has already been promulgated, prohibiting any sort of rally and meetings. And likewise, Ribhoi district is also following on the same pattern.
The Office of the District Medical and Health Officer, Southwest Khasi Hills District, on Thursday distributed Android tablets to all ASHAs and ASHA facilitators of the district as part of the effort to improve the working methods of the ASHAs. The program was held at Mini Secretariat Light Lau Sang and was attended by Maukarwat MLA Rennington L. Nongtangar Tongkhar as a chief guest in the presence of District Program Manager NHM P. Mausor, among others. Speaking on the occasion, Tongkhar said that ASHAs are well known as the volunteers who work hard in the villages to help the sick people, especially pregnant women, to get to the health centres. Two villages from Meghalaya, Umden and Mauplang, have been selected as the Best Tourism Village 2024 from the Ministry of Tourism, Government of India, recognising for their excellence in craft and heritage categories. Here is a report.
Umden village in Rabies district has emerged as a shining craftsmanship, recently earning the title of Best Tourism Village in the crafted category by the Ministry of Tourism. Local handloom weavers expressed their joy at receiving the award and affirmed their commitment to continue working diligently in their craft.
Best village tourism, madam da kajing snow komen ka bakraw. Kamtam engi kinong tanjan ki bala kini kinong tanjan ya kini ki janyer dia. Ke babun hi kinong tanjan ne hapo snong jongi hapo umden ki im da ka kam tanjan bat ngila yo kam im jak po na kene ka kam ka bangi tanjan. Balang ba jong kajing rap jong ine hala ban hiang hala jong kidan. Bat kajing rap hi ru naga district handlum. Kabang yo naki babon ki jihram naki wan naki lum ki machine bat ka jing kner joki laki jong ki bat ka jing ai man sem ko jong ki hilong ko mangilong hadu ha ne por ha ka bakong ka umden diwon ngila yo ya ka dikliar landi ka ri ka snong landi ka jaka blati be ka kum ka jaka khanya dia berbau je semu ya ka Meghalaya hi kepala dikir landi kepala ai ni nan lu ka aturi tori atsik arhajar apui melai itu ikan ikan snong jongi kum gajaka tanjan.
Known as Umden Diwan or the Eri Silk Village, it is renowned for its unique handloom production and the processing of Eri silk and its products. The production of Eri silk has greatly improved the livelihoods of local weavers, providing essential income and economic stability for families. The village, recognition as a top tourism destination, is anticipated to increase demand for these products. Nongpo MLA has expressed gratitude for the hard work of the handloom weavers and conveyed hopes for their continued success in the future.
On this auspicious occasion of World Tourism Day, I would like to express my sincere thanks to all the weavers of Umden area within Rai Nong Tlu as a whole for their continuous effort into sustaining the rich culture and heritage that we have within our area.
This award not only highlights the artistry of Umden village but also serves as a catalyst for local economic development. By showcasing their unique Eri silk products and weaving traditions, the villagers aim to inspire greater interest in their craft and foster a sustainable future for their community. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.
And now here is the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded was 15.7 degrees Celsius, while the maximum temperature was 24.1 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 88%, while in the evening it stood at 88%. The forecast, light to moderate rainfall and thundershower is very likely to occur at most places. And before we conclude, a look at the headlines once again. Health Department has reported a concerning rise in rabies-related deaths. Health Department is using 4x4 all-terrain ambulances to improve healthcare access. Governor C.H. Vijayashankar praised Shillong Law College for its significant role. Government directed Airport Authority of India in Shillong Airport not to allow chartered flight of Jagat Guru Shankaracharya Swami Avimukteshwaranand. And Meghalaya's Umden and Mauplang village awarded Best Tourism Village 2024 by the Ministry of Tourism, Government of India. And that's a wrap of today's edition of the news. Thank you very much for joining us. And from all of us here is wishing you good night.